I'm an entrepreneur in the internet marketing and sales industry, and in this quick vlog I just want to talk about the 4% challenge. What is the 4% challenge? Well, the 4% challenge is a training program for affiliate marketers, and not just for affiliate marketers but for anybody, any ordinary people that want to learn affiliate marketing. So the 4% challenge is obviously made by a company called 4%, an online education company for entrepreneurs, and the founder and the creator of the 4% challenge is Vic Strizheus, a world-class entrepreneur that has been online for over a decade doing affiliate marketing, and teaching people how to do it the right way. So when you start the 4% challenge, you will be guided step by step every single day. You'll be able to watch training episodes every single day and then implement what you learned in those episodes for you to be able to get results, for you to be able to get commissions and promote products, whether it's your own products or affiliate offers, maybe even ClickBank, whether it's 4% products, whatever you want to promote. The 4% challenge will allow you to promote products effectively. It will help you understand the science behind affiliate marketing, everything that you have to know about affiliate marketing, how to do it right, and how to get results and how to succeed. And the 4% challenge is split up into 3 categories: 0 to 10,000, 10,000 to 100,000, and 100,000 to a million. And obviously most people will never get to that 1 million mark, but a lot of people will be somewhere in between those 10,000 and 100,000, that level, and it's going to be great. So if you want to learn and master affiliate marketing, the 4% challenge is for you. And let me tell you a quick story. So when I got into entrepreneurship a few years ago, I knew nothing about marketing, about leads, about traffic. I knew nothing about, I didn't know any of the terminology. I didn't know anything about this stuff. And what helped me understand and learn everything when it comes to marketing, affiliate marketing, is 4% and Vic Strizheus. And now this man created the 4% challenge to actually help people strategically, step by step, guiding them. But when I started back in the day, I had to ask him questions. And I remember one time he was explaining to me, drawing some stuff on a whiteboard, and he was explaining to me, you have to run traffic here, this is how an opt-in page looks like, blah blah blah, all kinds of different stuff he was explaining to me. And I was like, alright, that makes sense. And then I was like, what is traffic though? And he was kind of laughing at me at that point because he was explaining everything to me and I didn't even know what the basic terminology was. That's how fresh it was, that's how new it was to marketing. But I learned it all, I learned affiliate marketing, and now I promote affiliate offers as well as my own products, and it's awesome. So if you would like to learn affiliate marketing from Vic Strizheus, from 4%, the best of the best, go ahead, and I'll have a link below this video somewhere. Just go ahead and click on that link, and you will be able to learn more about the challenge before you start it, and obviously you'll be able to start the 4% challenge and get this awesome training. So your choice, but go ahead and click on the link below this video and enjoy.
I'm tired of working for someone else to get a small paycheck.
I've been struggling online for quite some time.
I'm tired of trading time for dollars.
Challenge. I love it.
I love the challenge.
The 4% success pill, the success 4% challenge, whatever you want to name it.
This is exactly what the industry needs.
Excitement.
Wow. Wow.
Amazing.
Phenomenal.
So happy to be part of the 4% family.
I started getting results right after I joined the program.
You can make some good money, make some real money.
Better life, more money, more freedom.
I'm spending more time with my wife and my kids.
Time with my family.
I've been much more focused in what I wanted to do.
Works to shift your paradigm.
It's mind-blowing.
I just cannot believe how much success I am having in my online business.
Now, taking this challenge has scared the crap out of me. I've never done anything like this, but I'm doing it. I'm going all out. I'm going 100%. That plane is going to take off the runway, just like Vic said.
Really powerful stuff. You will physically feel the difference, I promise you, okay, if you just stick at it.
Every day I carry my gold card.
4% gold card.
Your gold card.
Your personal gold card.
Gold card?
Get your gold card out, my friend.
I got my gold card in hand.
Our gold card.
I have the gold card now with the goal on it.
I got you, okay? You'll be fine. We can do this.
The 4% challenge was created by Vic Strizheus.
Multi-million-dollar entrepreneur.
One of those leaders that knows how to take you by the hand.
Over the shoulder.
Step by step.
Step by step.
Complete step-by-step training.
Bite-sized pieces.
Every detail.
On actually how you can make money.
If you do this the way I'm going to teach you here in 4%, it will work for you every single time. And it's going to snowball on you. It's going to be a lot of fun.
In the very first 7 videos of the 4% 10K challenge, Vic goes in deep.
Hopefully you're feeling pumped. Hopefully you're feeling excited. Hopefully you're feeling optimistic.
I've been learning new strategies,
knowledge, tools, skills
that I've never seen before.
There is no complexity, there is no confusion.
Even if you're an experienced marketer, you're going to have your eyes open.
Let's get into it, right?
It allows you to get to where you would like to be.
I'm learning a whole lot of new things that if I knew earlier on, I would have made a lot more money than I'm making now.
Nothing compares with other programs, platform we work with.
The 4% challenge is going to help a lot of people.
I know that I'm here to really impact thousands and thousands of lives through this process.
Training is done on a daily basis.
Daily success pill.
Success pill every single day.
Doing a specific steps every single day.
My brain has actually been rewired.
You never have to try to figure out what to do next.
So Vic help you to go through from 0 to whatever result you want.
In less than 2 weeks, you see brand new people making commissions.
71 leads.
About 25 sign-ups. 200 subscribers on my email list. About 2 weeks now.
Within the first 3 weeks of doing the 4%, I made $500 online.
Multiple streams of income.
Having multiple streams of income.
Multiple streams of income.
It's amazing. I'm so happy I found it.
Life-changing information. Life-altering message.
So far, it's awesome. I'm going to keep going with it.
I could not be more excited to start crushing my goals.
Confidence going forward.
Anything is possible. I'm excited.
I'm so happy for you. I'm so excited for you because I know what's coming up.
Thank you, Vic.
Thank you, Vic.
Thank you, Vic, for this challenge.
Thank you, Vic Strazis, if you're watching this.
Thank you so much, Vic.
Thank you, Vic, and thank you for everything you've done for us.
Vic, I appreciate you, brother.
It's never too late to learn, and the challenge will help you.
It helps you to become extraordinary.
So this is like getting in-person training from your closest friend who wants you to succeed.
Hands down, by far, the best system out there.
This was the game changer.
We're looking forward to succeed.
Never give up.
You can do anything.
Success.
You will not regret it.
It's 100% value.
Value, 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 value.
I have the recipe for success and I am thrilled.
Go for it.
You'll definitely change your life.
If I can do, anyone can do.
I can't wait to see what it has next.
Don't take my word for it. Challenge yourself. Take the challenge.
Take the challenge today.
Just take the challenge.
How dare you to take the challenge for yourself.
You should check it out.